Good morning, students. Class 5 EVS, chapter name Experiments with Water. What floats, what sinks? Aisha was waiting for dinner. Today, Ammi was making her favorite food, buri and spicy potatoes. Aisha watched as her mother rolled out the buri and put it in the hot oil. She saw that the first buri sank to the bottom of the pan. As it puffed up, the buri came up and started floating on the oil. On seeing this, Aisha took some dough and rolled it into a ball. She flattened it and put in a bowl of water. It sank to the bottom and stayed there. Now, question is, why buri swells up in hot oil and floats? Buri float on the hot oil because water in the dough evaporates on heating. The air being lighter than hot oil, it makes the buri to float on oil. Aisha put flattened buri in the water. It did not evaporate and swell up to become lighter to float. In the evening, Aisha went for a bath. She had come out when her mother called, Aisha, you have dropped the soap in water again. Take it out and put it in the soap case. Then Aisha gently put the soap in the soap case. She saw that the case continued to float even with the soap in it. Why does this happen? This happens because of buoyancy, upward force of water. Let us understand what is buoyancy. Buoyancy is the upward force extended by a liquid to oppose the weight of an immersed object. For example, if the dropped apple in the water, the apple will try to go down. But the water also has force which pushes things upward. This upward force of water is called buoyancy. Buoyancy force or upward force of water. Whenever an object falls in the water, it occupies some space in water and that much of water is pushed out from its place, which comes up and raises the level of water. The water which is pushed out from its place is called displaced water. The main factor is weight of displaced water. This main factor is responsible for floating or sinking of an object. Float or sink which depends upon the weight of the object. Here is the example of two balls, iron ball and plastic ball. In the first beaker, the iron ball is sinking in the water. In the second beaker, the plastic ball is floating on the water. Let us assume both displaced as 50 grams of water because the size is same. Weight of iron ball is 500 gram. Weight of displaced water is 50 gram. If weight of an object is more than the weight of the displaced water, then object will sink. Weight of ball is 40 gram. Weight of displaced water is 50 gram. If weight of an object is less than weight of the displaced water, then the object will float. So we can say in this way also, if the weight of an object is more than the buoyancy force, the object will sink. If the weight of an object is less than buoyancy force, the object will float.